Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Sport SVR in Corris Grey. This is a 5 litre petrol, doesn't need a service again until July 2021 and has previously had 2 owners. As you can see, you have 22-inch alloy wheels, privacy glass, a powered tailgate. You have plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, but you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. A button on the boot there, or you can press the one on the key to shut it again. You also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's near me. You also have electrically deployable steps, makes it easier to get in and out of the car. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely two-tone leather interior with the SVR sport seats and the SVR embossed onto the seats there. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day or just if you want some more fresh air, and is also great for letting in more light. And you can close it using the same button. Touchscreen with different functions, including eco data, which tells you how well a car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Valet mode, so you can lock the screens where a valeter can only access your climate control, keeping personal items secure. You also can turn off your deployable side steps if you don't want them on sometimes. Ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Different driving modes including grass, gravel and snow, sand, rock crawl, and you can see that on the screen in front of you also. Heated front seats, which are a luxury especially in winter, along with different suspension, higher if you're off-roading, normal for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which are all helpful when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, again a luxury, along with memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This car's done 36,171 miles. You also have a rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing a lot easier, especially in a bigger vehicle. Soft door close. That was the SVR at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this lovely car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.